What's up? Facebook, YouTube, MySpace, Google, Yahoo, whatever you watching this video on. But I got a shout out to give out to Ash Bobash, and she said she's gonna make a video after I make mine, so I'm ready to see that. And I want to make another shout out to Burnett. She told me to make this video, and yeah. But this video right here is called Lip Biting Animal. Y'all probably ain't heard it before, but here you go. Tell me what you think. And if you like the video, actually just like the video. You feel me? Alright.
I gotta keep it real with you. For real. Niggas don't dance. We jook. It looks like dancing to me. Lip biting animal. Where we dancing then? Biting animal. Lip biting animal. Lip biting animal. Yeah. Lip biting animal. 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 Lip biting animal.